Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir from LPM Public School and today I am going to explain and solve the book exercise of the chapter Google Go. So you can see here is the many of the question and exercises. So listen carefully and watch out complete video and you have to solve the book exercise by helping of this video. So watch out the video and complete your textbook. So let's start the video and try to solve this all these exercise one by one. So first exercise is tick the most appropriate option. So you can see here is the give a statement and also given four options. So select the first one option, that is the right, and then tick correct. Okay, so statement is the year 2018 saw what. The 2018 saw, the 2018 saw that a change in the sports. Okay, so it is not a correct option. uh, uh, First is a change in Indian sports. Second is Indian women take part in the Asian Games. C is India win a few medals at the Asian Games. And last is many records broken at the Asian Games. So option number A is incorrect, B is incorrect, and C is incorrect. Last option is correct. Many records broken at the Asian Games in 2018 by the women sports. Okay, sportswoman. Okay, it is the correct option, so tick the correct option number 4. Second is the sports Hima Das takes part in each. So which is the part that is the Hima Das participate, that is the athletics. Okay, it is the correct option. Swimming is incorrect, volleyball incorrect, and football is incorrect. So you have to tick option number A is a correct option. Next is an extra toy on each foot caused Swapnan Varman great pain because C. So what will be the correct option? Here is the option number A, could not move comfortably. It's incorrect. Did not have shoes. It is the correct but not, it is the possible answer. Did not have shoes that fit properly. Yeah, it's correct option. And had a to take, it is the also correct option, but main suitable answer will be option number C. Okay, so you have to tick option number C of the third statement. And next is fourth, Vishesh Fogart was not at her peak during the competition because C. Okay, so you have to see in four option. A option is a was more than 4 kilogram overweight. It not be suitable answer. Was on a liquid diet on, so was very tired. So it is the correct option. Why? Because Vishesh Fogart is the liquid, taking liquid diet, and she also less her 4 kg, it means 4 kilogram weight, and due to liquid diet. Okay, and had just lost to Yunan Sun because of on injury. It is incorrect. Was not mentally strong, incorrect. He is completely mentally strong, so he get the medal in the final. So you have to tick the option number B of the statement 4. Okay, okay, so let's look at the next exercise number B, C, and D. I will write its answer on a PDF, and yeah, I also make another part of the exercise. So leave that exercises and I will make it in the next video. So let's see exercise number E, and here is the question is choose words from the box to replace the words in italic. Rewrite the sentences. Okay, so you can see here there are given some of the words in the box. It is the there are given some of the words in the box, and you can see here is the statement, and in the statement you can see some of the italic words. Okay, so in the italic word, you will remove this italic word and use the correct word in place of the italic words. Okay, so listen carefully and do it by listening, and also replace the word that is the suitable for the place. Okay, the wrestler was more than 4 kilogram above the so in the first you have to remove the word requisites. In place of requisite you have to fill required. Okay, so you have to fill word required, and then it will be the wrestler was more than 4 kilogram above the required weight. Clear? So statement number 2, she had suffered a heart-breaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics. So you can see here is the italic word is heart-breaking. So in a heart-breaking word, here is the word. In place of this word, you have to feel the tragic. Okay, feel the word tragic. It means the tragic word will fill in the in place of heartbreaking, and then the sentence will be she had suffered a tragic leg injury during the Rio Olympic. Clear? So let's come on option number 3. Statement is women played a major is a italic word role at the both the sports event. Okay, so which word is used for the in place of the major? So you can see important word is the right word that used in place of the major. So sentence will be women played a important, okay, important role at both the sports event. Clear? And now come on statement number 4, the heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and discomfort throughout the event. So italic word is discomfort. In place of discomfort you have to feel the word suffering. Okay, so the sentence will be the heroic heptathlete had to fight pain and suffering. Okay, pain and suffering throughout the events. Clear? And now come on the statement number 5, she accumulated 626 points from the 7 events that she competed in. Okay, so here is the italic word is accumulated, and in place of accumulated you have to fill the word collected. Okay, it is the similar word. The accumulated means collected, so in place of accumulated you have to write down collected. Then sentence will be she collected 6026 points from the 7 events that the completed in. Clear? Now next is, it means option number C, not C, it is the 6. Okay, so statement is she is now regarded as one of the nation stars to watch out for. So here is the italic word is regarded. Okay, so in place of regarded you have to seen in the box there is the all words sit in their proper place. Only one word is left here, and the word is considered. Okay, so you have feel the considered word in place of the regarded, and the sentence will be she is now considered. Okay, regarded means considered as one of the nation's star to watch out for. Okay, so I hope you all understand the exercise of this exercise. Now come on the next, and next exercise is complete this write up about the successful Indian boxer Mary Com's latest win. The word in the box will help you. Okay, so you can see there are given many of the words in the box. Here is the word. Sorry, some of the missing. So you can see here is the many of the word like a medal, game, woman, Mary Kom, determination, great, feat, day, and winners. All these words is used in place of the blanks. So find read the paragraph carefully. Okay, read the paragraph carefully and replace the word in the blanks, and that is the true. Okay, so you can see here is the start it is the paragraph that taken from the Commonwealth game 2018 boxing. Okay, so now read and solve the exercise. It was a great. So you have to fill the word day. Okay, you have fill the word day. For Indian boxing, as Mary Kom 48 kg. Okay, Gaurav Solanki 52 kg and Vikas Krishan 75 kg indeed as top in blanks. Okay, in the blanks you have to fill the word winners. Okay, winners to add 3 gold to Indian Indians medal. Okay, not fill the word feed. Okay, you have to fill medal. Okay, medal, Indians medal tally. Earlier in the day, after the day you have to fill the word Mary Kom. Okay, you have to fill Mary Kom. Mary Kom became the first Indian woman. Okay, you have to fill next in the woman. Okay, after the Indian and between the Indian and boxer you have filled the word woman. Clear? Woman boxer to claim a gold medal, and she achieved the, okay, she achieved the feat, FEAT. Okay, FEAT, feat in her first time at the games. Okay, you have to fill the word games after the first time at the, okay, and which is also expected to be her last time. And again Mary Kom has proved her. You have to fill the word greet. Okay, greet, don't greet and determination. You also use the determination and greet are and determination, both are the similar word. You can use further or later, both are the word. So determination, greet and determination in the boxing ring. Clear? So I hope you all to solve this exercise. Now come on, next exercise number G. Okay, here is the next exercise number G. So listen carefully and complete it. Question is, exercise number G question is, strike out or add an S where required. Okay, add an S, it means where is necessary to use of S, then you have to add S. If there is S is not necessary, then remove the S. Clear? So you also know use of the S wherever we need of the plural form, then there is use S or ES. So listen carefully. Some of the rules that is the followed by the grammar. Then you have to solve this question by using the grammar method. Okay, the rule of the grammar. So you can see here exercise option number 1. Option number 1 is a glass of fresh lime juices. You can see here the juice, it is the uncountable noun, and when the noun word is uncountable, then we can never change it into the plural form. Okay, so remove the S in the juice. Okay, you only write down the word juice. Is very refreshing in the summer. You can also see here each word used for the juice. Okay, not if here is the juices, then you have to write R. Okay, so in the second option, it is very easy to make good lime juice. So you have to write down here lime only and remove the S in the lime. Okay, you only write down lime. Clear? So it will be, it is very easy to make good lime juice, not lime juice. Clear? So option number 3, you will need a firm yellow lime 2 teaspoons. Okay, here is the use 2 word, then you also use S after the spoons. Okay, in the, you can see here is the sugar is uncountable noun, so remove the S, and cold water and a pinch of salt. Okay, here is the missing of the word salt, SALTS. Okay, so remove the S, you have to write only salt, because this is the uncountable noun, and with the uncountable noun we can never use it S. Clear? So option number 4, cut the lime in half and squeeze the juices. Okay, not here is the juices, you only write down here juice, so remove s. Okay, remove s into a jug. Clear? And here is the fifth, heat a little waters. So you can see here waters is a word that is the uncountable, so you can see here is the s, so remove the s and you only write down water. Then the sentence will be heat a little water in a pan and dissolve the sugar in it. Okay, and option number 6, add cold water to the sugar syrups. Here is the syrup is uncountable noun, so remove the s with the syrup and then add the lime juice and salt. Clear? And 7 is pour out the lime juices. So you have to remove s in the words juice, and glasses is the correct word, and serve. Okay, so this is the exercise number G. Now come on, next exercise is H. Okay, so here is the exercise. In this exercise you can read first the question and know what is the work of in this exercise, and note the nouns in bold. Which of these are countable and which of these are uncountable? Complete the table. So you can see here is the table. In the first there are make two table. First is countable noun, second is uncountable noun, and here is the given sum of the word, that is the bold letter. So select that word and replace in the table which word is the countable word and which word is the uncountable. If the word is countable, then write in the countable noun, and if the word is uncountable, then write in the uncountable column. Okay, so listen carefully and fill the word it bold word in their proper place. Okay, so option you can see here given three options. So first option is sporting good refer to all the things. You can see here is the things is a countable noun, so you can see here is the right also things in a countable that are used to play a game is the countable, so you also write down here game. Okay, game. They also include protective gear such as gloves is a countable, so you have to write in the countable noun gloves and put the comma. And helmet is also called countable noun, so write down here helmet in the countable noun. And in the second option you can see here balls is a countable, so you have to write down here balls used in most sports are made of leather. You can see here leather is a uncountable noun. Okay, so you have to write down in the this word in the uncountable nouns. Okay, and rubber is a uncountable noun, so write down here rubber in column of uncountable noun. And here is also uncountable noun, then write it in uncountable column. And in the third option boat is the countable, so write down bat word in a countable noun. And request it is the countable noun, so write it in countable column. Sticks it is the also a countable noun, so write it in a countable noun. Club is a countable noun. Okay, so write in countable column. And here is the wood and metal, both are word are uncountable noun. Okay, so you have to write it in uncountable noun. And here is the last question, that is the for you, work with a partner, write a paragraph on what you have learned about women in Indian sports. Okay, it is the book exercise, and this for you. So read the carefully all the clues that is the given in the column below the question, and Write a paragraph on what you have learned about women in Indian sport. Okay, what is the main motto that you have learned from this chapter? By read the motivation or read the story of the Indian sports women. Okay, so you can see here some of the clues that given in the read what you have filled in the table in exercise number C. Write the point in 3 or 4 sentences. Arrange your sentence into a paragraph. Reread and edit your paragraph. Check for grammar and spelling mistake. So you using all these skills, you have to complete your exercise, and it is your assignment, and you have to write it in your CW copy. Okay, I hope you all understand all the exercise of this chapter, and I have to make next video for the question answer of this chapter, and exercise number B, C and D. Okay, so now I wanted to leave the video. So thank you for the watching video, and wait for the next video. Best of luck and solve your book exercise and become happy for your in your life. Okay, thank you.